This is Google Pixel 4 XL. The smartphone launched October 2019. After 3 years, 2022, this one is still worth it. Find out in this video. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. And by the way, this is Refurbished unit. This is Google Pixel 4 XL Google certified Refurbished unit. Starting with the box content, this smartphone comes with slim box. In the box, you can get Google warranty card, SIM tray, and our Google Pixel 4 XL. So now talk about the build quality. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 5 in the front and back with aluminum frame. So overall the smartphone build quality is too good. The Pixel 4 XL comes with very high quality 6.3-inch POLED 90Hz display with a resolution 1440 into 3040 pixel with 577 ppi density, and this is 81.3 skin to body ratio. So overall the smartphone display is too good. And the smartphone also comes with always on display IP68 dust and water resistant, and also a stereo speaker which is very loud and clear. Now let's talk about the OS. Right now the smartphone running latest Android 13 and the phone comes with Snapdragon 855 CPU using octa-core 1 into 2.84 GHz, GPU using Adreno 640 with 6GB of RAM. Now talk about the performance. After more than 3 years, the smartphone performance is still pretty well. There is no problem performing everyday tasks such as calling, texting, watching YouTube and things like that. It can handle pretty good. And you can play any types of game in a very high graphics and max frame rate. I am playing PUBG Mobile, Smooth to Extreme, Ultra HD graphics and Ultra frame rate. Pixel 4 XL dedicated gaming review coming very soon, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's move on the camera review. The Google Pixel 4 XL comes with dual camera setup, 12.2 megapixel main sensor with 1.7 aperture and 16 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.4 aperture. And the front is come with 8 megapixel single selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120 fps slow-mo video, and the video quality is average quality. So now talk about the picture quality. As you can know that Pixel is the famous for the photography and the picture quality. Daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is excellent. And especially I like this smartphone portrait mode. Yeah, portrait mode is work very good. And the 8 megapixel selfie camera is also good, and the night photography is also very good, and used to night mode to take a better picture. And I am already making the Google Pixel 4 XL dedicated camera review on my YouTube channel. Video link in the video description and the I button. Check it out. So now talk about the security. The smartphone comes with Face ID. Face ID is very fast and secure. The smartphone powered by 3700 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charger. So overall you can get almost 1 day battery backup. So the question is, should you have to buy Pixel 4 XL in 2022? Definitely you can buy this smartphone right now because the smartphone comes with excellent performance, top class camera and good quality 2K resolution display. So overall you can definitely buy this smartphone right now. Okay, this is all about Pixel 4 XL details full review in 2022. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.